In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save photos to your Gmail account. We all have moments captured on our devices that we'd love to keep safe and accessible across all platforms. Using Gmail and Google services, you can easily store and manage your photos. Let's dive into the process to ensure that your memories are well preserved and easy to access whenever you need them. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in "How to Save Photos to Gmail Account" and hit Enter. This search should lead you to various resources and articles, ensuring that you're on the right path. However, for simplicity's sake, we're going to stick with a straightforward, tried-and-true method today. Once you're set, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This login step is crucial because the services we're going to be using, like Google Photos, are linked to your Google credentials. Without being logged in, you won't be able to save anything to your account. If you're not sure whether you're already logged in, simply look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the Google homepage. If it's there, you're good to go. Next, onboard onto Google Photos. If you haven't used this service before, it's essentially Google's way of letting you store, organize, and share your photos online. It's a fantastic tool because it not only keeps your photos safe, but also provides easy access from any device, perfect for both personal and professional needs. To get there, you can either type Google Photos in the Google search bar and click on the result, or you can navigate directly by typing photosgoogle.com into your browser. Once you're in Google Photos, find the Upload option. This is typically represented by a small cloud icon with an arrow. You'll usually find it towards the upper part of the page. Click on it, and from there, you'll be prompted to select files from your device. Navigate to where your photos are stored, whether on your desktop, laptop, or another device. Choose the photos you want to upload. You can upload them one at a time, but Google Photos also supports batch uploads, which can save a lot of time if you have multiple pictures. After selecting your photos, they will begin to upload, and you'll see the progress indicated on your screen. Once the upload is complete, your photos will now reside safely in the cloud. They will be accessible anytime, anywhere, as long as you are signed in with the same Google account on any device. There you have it. Your photos are now saved to your Gmail account via Google Photos. This method not only secures them, but places everything neatly into an easily accessible format. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to explore more of Google Photos features to make the most of your photo storage experience. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!